Welcome to this meditation designed to help you find your calm place. Take a moment to get comfortable, settle into a relaxed position. Close your eyes or take a soft gaze, and let's embark on a tranquil journey to a serene sanctuary of your own imagination. And now, allow yourself a long, slow, deep breath. Release that breath along with any tension you may feel. This tranquil haven can be a place you know, a place you've seen, or a place you've simply dreamt of. Find a space where you feel calm, peaceful, and secure. It could be a spot from your childhood, or perhaps a serene location from a movie, a tranquil beach, a peaceful woodland, or a serene meadow. As you immerse yourself in this peaceful haven, pay attention to the elements that surround you. Notice the objects, the scents, the sounds, and the sensations that enrich this tranquil world. Is it open air or enclosed? Are you alone or in the company of others? Pay attention to the pleasing sounds that soothe your spirit. It could be the subtle rustling of leaves in the breeze, the gentle lapping of waves on a shore, or perhaps the soothing hum of distant city life. Invigorate your senses with the aromas that float on the air, the fresh scent of flowers, the invigorating scent of the sea, or the crisp scent of a snowy mountain. Immerse yourself, drinking in the peace and serenity of your special place. Find a spot within your serene haven that feels especially calming. Settle yourself there, feeling safe, centered, and at ease. Absorb the peace and calm. Let it wash over you, soothing any stress or worry. Now take a moment to describe your tranquil haven in detail. What time of year is it? What time of day? Is the sun shining with warmth, or is the cool moonlight dancing on the surfaces around you? Embed this in your memory, and know that whenever you need a moment of peace, tranquility, or safety, you can return to this special place in your mind. It is always available, always welcoming. When you feel ready to return, start to move your fingers and toes. Feel yourself reconnect with the physical world. When you're ready, Gently open your eyes if they've been closed, bringing yourself back to the peace and serenity from your inner sanctuary to the world around you. And remember, you can return to this guided meditation anytime you feel the need. Take care, and bye for now.